Joining us on the digitized Bharat e-conclave now are the founders of Kiwi or Kisan Window, Nupur Agrawal and Abhinav Ahluwalia. What is Kisan Window, you might ask? Well, it is a health and wellness brand founded in 2017. It deals in organic and health products, all of which come from the local farmers across India. The products are sold online, and the aim of this startup is centered around the idea of conscious and organic food choices. Additionally, the founders say their company provides local farmers with a chance to trade the products on their own terms. The startup has received recognition from the Government of India. Nupur Agrawal and Abhinav Ahluwalia, thanks for being with us. All right, Nupur, if I could begin with you. Now, conscious and organic food choices plus providing local farmers with a chance to trade the products on their own terms minus any middleman. You say that is your mantra. How exactly does this work?
So it's very simple, it's not a very big rocket science, to be very honest. It just requires the right amount of intention placed into the same. As we say, so what we're doing is we're connecting with somewhere around more than 5,000 farmers across India, and we're procuring products from them. And these are majorly marginalized farmers who are not able to sell their products on their own terms at mandis and to bigger players in the market. So we procure them. It takes a toll on our ecosystem of supply chain. Like, it's quite difficult, it's quite non-manageable. But yes, we have taken up that challenge. And we're procuring these products directly from the farmers on a fair trade basis. And also we're trying to help them to give them, schemes, provide them affiliation with government schemes to go into organic training and training them with other, modern farming technologies and things like that, and also bringing them into the online ecosystem, which is the future of the world. And then we take these products, get them to our processing unit, which is in Vikasnagar, which is a town in the state of Uttarakhand, and we process them, we sort them, we grade them, we process them, we package them. And then we sell it through different distribution channels. So number one, which is our own retail store. Number two is our exports. Number three, online channels. We are onboarded with somewhere around more than 22 channels like Amazon, Flipkart, Goki, XYZ. And we also have our own e-com channel and our own app. To be very, very, interesting to the audience sitting here, we developed our app during the pandemic, during the first, the first stage of the pandemic, which was from 22nd March till the 30th of March. And we had our app running on the 1st of April. And that is how we adapted to the entire ecosystem of, getting online, which also this particular conclave talks about.
There is no doubt the pandemic has, even though on the one hand, of course, it's wreaked havoc with the world, but on the other hand, it's also led to a lot of innovation. And, it's interesting that you founded this I think a little over 3 years ago, but you already seem to have a huge digital footprint. That's impressive. Abhinav, let me come to you at this point. Now, of course, as was pointed out by Nupur, your products are produced through organic farming to maintain the authenticity of the food items. And you talk about sustainability of the resources. How exactly do you help the farmers with this process of organic farming? If you could elaborate just a little bit on that.
Thank you. First of all, thank you so much for having us here. And it's a pleasure for me and to be able to, tell you how we'll be able to add value to, specifically, answering to your question, that how we're able to add value to the farmers and to the conventional ecosystem which was already existing. What value is Kiwi bringing up? So the name itself says Kiwi, KI stands for Kisan and WI stands for window. It's a window of opportunity for not just for the farmers of this country, but for the consumer, I believe, who is an important stakeholder in our whole the entire ecosystem, to be the part of. So that it's Kisan Window stands for window of opportunity for the farmers of this country to be able to sell their produces at the topmost quality products, at the topmost, prioritized customers all over the country, and not just the country, but around the globe when it comes to health, food, and conscious product. So that kind of value we add to the farmers is, one, by able to provide them a platform. There are hardly any platform where there are models of farm to fork, where there are brands taking the products straight from the farmers and reaching out to the consumer as their own platform. So we primarily started our small startup with a small store in Dehradun, and we maximize our stores and store-in-store concept over a period of time. So the kind of value we add to the farmer is just by linking the farmer direct to the consumer, because we are in the process of directly reaching out to the consumer rather than just being a brand and sending out our products to n number of distribution channels, which we do have as a part of parallel expansion. But our primary focus is to reaching out to the consumer directly with the farmers producers. So in that way, we are able to give out the value system, and we are able to obviously break the conventional distribution channel and its margin, and that benefits either goes to the consumer with better pricing or to the farmer with better procurement. So that's how we add value, not just to the farmer, but the consumer who is really conscious about their food.
Sure, that's interesting, bringing the consumers and the farmers closer together also in a way. I know you guys have already talked about this, but Nupur, if I were to ask you to put this in very simple terms, how the startup business actually works, what's in it for the consumers and what's in it for the farmers? Simple terms, bullet points. How would you explain it?
So I would just say two words, what's in it for the consumer. So for the consumer, it is accessible and affordable, great quality product, wherein you know where the product is coming from and you're conscious about it. For the farmer, I think two words here I'll put: a window of opportunity, where he's able to make a higher remuneration out of farming, where he takes pride in farming, where farming in our country is still treated as a labor job. अगर आपके पास नहीं है कुछ करने को तो आप खेती कर रहे हैं. मतलब people treat being a peon is better than being a farmer, which is such a big irony.
Abhinav, let me come back to you. What, according to you, is the importance of having a website when you're running a business like this? Does it help create a distribution and sales funnel for your products? I mean, obviously, this business that we're talking about, it's all online. So how have you used your website, for example, to advance these specific objectives?
So when you specifically asked about the website, I would say there was this time where website was the only showcase of a company's or let's say a startup or any individual or an organizational outfit when a person wants to look at the web. Today is a time of not just website, though a website, I will not discount that fact, it plays a very important role. In our case, it plays an important role of not just showcasing ourselves, but selling ourselves, because it's an e-com platform also. But today there are a lot of other platforms. Website is your personal space. Website is your private space where you are showcasing yourself in whatever way you want to communicate. Then there comes n number of media and bloggings and articles and other coverage which you get over the web these days. The horizon is expanding day by day, and it has come a long way from where the whole website culture started from. But we cannot discount the fact that this website is a very important tool and a primarily showcase window for any organization to start and showcase their ethics, their values, and what they're trying to make it.
Okay. Very quickly, Nupur, if I could ask you, what do you think are the advantages of e-commerce for local markets and for farmers? And I'm curious to know how many of these farmers are actually equipped for it?
Correct. That's a very, very interesting question here. And I appreciate that you brought up this question. So, when we talk about food as an industry, yes, online is very important today, because the first thing that you do is pick up your mobile phone, Google stuff, and for a consumer, but that's not something what a farmer does.
Yes.
So I think online is very important for scalability towards the consumer end. They are highly equipped today. The consumer end is highly equipped, the market end is highly equipped to buy the product or research the product, and for a company to scale. So online gives you a leverage to scale, to expedite the process, to make it faster, to make your growth faster. So technology is the soil, but the seed is your supply chain, for which our country is still not very equipped in its ecosystem.
Correct.
For example, how many villages do even get electricity. In my state, there are 70% of villages which do not get electricity.
Correct.
Forget about internet, forget about smartphones.
Smartphones and internet, exactly.
Yeah. So I think in our particular industry, when we talk about farmer side of things, we do not have enough infra, which is the
Correct.
basic infra to support
So then there is
technology.
that gap. There is that gap which exists,
Yes.
and
Correct.
obviously you as you know, an individual company can't alone fix that. That is really something
Correct.
for the government to look
Correct.
at. Absolutely.
So,
Okay.
on this scale, Neha,
Very quickly,
sorry to interrupt
Nupur,
you there.
very
On
quickly.
this point, we're
Yes.
actually also consulting the World Economic Forum on the same, because they are trying to develop technologies with various partners and trying to understand so that they can propose a policy and a policy shift in the government
Okay.
and different changes. The World Economic Forum, and we're
Okay.
part of their core team consultancy. And what we're trying to tell you is, you can't throw these heavy jargons. You use WhatsApp or you use
Of
other
course.
technology, because here we're talking about farmers who's possibly in Meghalaya.
Well, there is no doubt that you two have a lot of bright ideas to take your business forward. It's been a fascinating conversation. We've got an insight into how this business actually works. I'm sure it's been illuminating for our viewers too. On that note, I'd like to thank both of you, Nupur and Abhinav, for joining us on this conclave. Thank you for sharing with us how your business works and how it can help both consumers and farmers. And all the very best with your with all your endeavors.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure to be here with you.
And it's always a good news, India Ahead has a great tagline, I must say. It's a good news. So I think it's a good news for us to be able to make our voices reach out to millions and inspire.
And together, collectively, we all have to take India ahead. Absolutely.
Yes.
On that note, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.